Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to do a live withdrawal on the Taka app so you can see the process yourself. Right now I'm inside the app. As you can see, I have enough balance available for the withdrawal, so let's go ahead and submit the withdrawal request. So I'll click on the beans. After that, I'll click on the cow chart. And I select my payment method to be OP. My OP details is already here before, so let me capture the 200k beans. So as it is now, 200k beans, I will receive 25,270 naira. Okay, the request has been submitted. Now we'll wait and see how it process. Payment has been received successfully. As you can see on the screen, it has been received. I'm sharing this so you can see my experience with the app. If you like more updates, payment proof and tutorial, join my WhatsApp group using the link in the description below. And don't miss my next video where I will be showing the step I use on the app and explain how it works. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be able to first to see it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.